We have all these different material categories listed on the left. You've got paints and stones and tiles and wooden flooring and furniture and lighting, right? I'm going to click on flooring and tiles. I'll select tiles. You've got all these tiles on your screen. I'm going to click the filters button. I can see filters like price range, brand, and tile size. I click on brands. It shows me the brands that sell tiles that are available on Zeka. I press tile size and it shows me all the different sizes of tiles available on Zeka. I select 120 by 240 and I click on apply, and there it is. Zeka instantly starts showing me all the 120 by 240 centimeter tiles. I click on add. It asks me to select the surface I want to apply this texture on. I click on the floor and it instantly applies that particular tile to the floor. So, advanced search filters that make material discovery a cakewalk. I'm gonna go to furniture. I select chairs. I press add and I click on the floor. And there it is. I can also rotate or move this chair if I like. Next, I click on wooden veneer. I select veneers. Now look closely. Not only do we have all the textures and 3D models of all these materials, we've also got their discounts and prices. This is an absolute game changer. We're creating price transparency at scale for the first time in one of the world's least transparent industries. It's incredible. I'll quickly add it to the TV wall, and there it is. It's amazing just how easy to use this thing is. If you look there, on the top right corner of the screen, when you click that button, you can see the exact costing of your entire project in front of you, entirely automated. You've got areas, discounts, quantities, final landing prices, and the final total fully automated. You don't have to do anything. This has never been done before. You can even download your entire project costing in an Excel format in one single click. A single click, it does not get simpler than this. And finally, Zika helps you clearly visualize your entire project before it's built, right? I can choose a specific image resolution. I can generate both a day view and a night view. I can add all these different artificial lights to my project. I can even adjust my sunlight settings with controls like brightness, position, and angle. On the right, you've got camera settings. I can change the depth of my screen, adjust its height. I can adjust the intensity of these lights that I've added on the screen. I can adjust their temperature, make the light colder or warmer. And then I click the visualize button. I turn on ray tracing. I quite like this scene, so I'm gonna quickly generate a screenshot of it. And there you have it. An ultra realistic image of your space in less than 10 seconds. It's incredible that we're able to achieve this. So that's Zika, your entire project costing and visualization in 30 minutes. This is a quantum leap in how designers design.